What happens when networked note-taking meets powerhouse project management? Two game changers, one ultimate showdown. Which one truly fits your workflow? On the left, Roam Research, networked note-taking for thinkers. And on the right, Asana, collaborative project management made easy. Let's move past the marketing lingo and see how each tool actually performs. Every category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which one wins where it matters. You might be surprised by the results. All right, here's our game plan. I want to show you how we're going to break this down. We'll look at their core purpose, how they actually help you collaborate, what features they pack, privacy and control, pricing, and finally, how they actually feel to use. So, user experience. Ready? Let's roll. Okay, first up, core purpose. Roam Research is honestly a brainy kind of tool. It's like your own little personal Wikipedia, you know? Super powerful for organizing thoughts, knowledge, and those rabbit hole ideas. But, and this is key, it's not really built for classic project management or team stuff. Now, Asana, that's the go-to for managing tasks, assigning stuff, juggling deadlines. It's the hub if you want to run projects, delegate, or just herd cats professionally. It's not so much about deep personal note-taking, it's about getting things done together. So, for pure project power, Asana definitely pulls ahead here. Let's talk collaboration. Roam lets you share databases, and yeah, you can leave comments on shared notes, but actually it's honestly pretty basic. There's not a whole lot of real-time teamwork magic going on inside Roam. Asana, on the other hand, this is where it shines. You get advanced team workflows, live updates on tasks, comments flying everywhere, all your files in one spot, plus it plays really well with other software. The only thing is, if you're just using it solo or your team is tiny, Asana can feel a little busy, maybe kinda over-engineered. Still, if you want true collaboration, Asana takes the win. Features. Roam's got some very cool things. Bidirectional links, which honestly never gets old, daily notes, markdown support, and a wild query system so you can filter ideas like a pro. But you don't get much for managing projects. Task views are pretty limited. Now, Asana, it's got everything. Kanban boards, timelines, Gantt charts for you project managers out there, detailed reporting, custom fields, automation, integrations with time tracking, dashboards, whatever. Basically, you name it. Side note though, the fanciest reports need you on a paid plan, and if you want those deep documentation features, Roam still wins on that front. But overall, Asana locks in another category. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Roam actually uses a graph database, which lets all your notes connect and link up just like your brain's neurons firing ideas. Kind of wild, right? Let's hit privacy and control. This is where Roam flips the script. Since it's built for personal notes, your stuff stays private, and encryption is an option too. If total info control is your vibe, Roam's got you covered. The catch being, you won't find super granular team permission settings. But Asana is built for the business world. Seriously robust controls, team permissions, can absolutely handle sensitive task info, no sweat. However, your data's up in the cloud, on Asana's servers, which could be a red flag if you're, well, paranoid about privacy. Verdict? Roam edges ahead for personal privacy. On to pricing. Roam keeps things simple. A flat monthly fee for all you can eat. No messing around with user seats. Downside? There's no forever free plan, so you're paying to play. Period. Asana swings the opposite way. You get a solid free version, great for small teams, just some big features are paywalled. Thing is, once your team grows, Asana's seat-based pricing can balloon real fast. So, hey, if you're solo or small, Asana might win at first, but Roam's pricing is way more predictable for the long run. Here, Roam grabs the point. Okay, now let's talk user experience. Roam, it's minimal. You get this keyboard-driven interface that's perfect for those who live and breathe ideas. But, fair warning, there's a tough learning curve. It's kind of Spartan-looking, definitely not flashy. Asana, though, is polished, and oh man, those dashboards and task views are super intuitive. It's easy to get started, but the more you dig, the more hidden features you find, which, for new folks, can feel a little overwhelming. You know what? Both have their quirks, so honestly, I'd say it's a tie. So, we've seen these two platforms flex in all the key areas. So here's how their strengths really stack up side by side. This should give you a great visual for the highs and not so highs of each. So where does that leave us? Basically, if you geek out on connecting thoughts, deep knowledge management, and personal learning, Roam's your new best friend. But If your world runs on projects, schedules, teams, and you want organized execution across the board, put your money on Asana.
If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment and let me know what plays you want to see compared next. Stay curious, and hey, stay organized.